Okay, so what week is this? I think it's October 6th is today. So today's October 6th. I am about to flat iron my hair. I ombre it myself, and then I'm gonna curl it, but my friend sewed it in for me. So she always sews it in for me, and it's just like regular form, like when I wash it. I don't really do sew-ins too often, but when I do, you know, I've been doing them lately because I've been having TV gigs and it's just easier for me to have a sew-in for those types of things. So yeah, so I do the traditional sew-in. I'm gonna blend my hair. I mean, it blends really nicely, but I want to like really blend. It's just showing up really reddish brown on camera, but like I feel like in real life it's not this bright. But this will look different once it's curled. I always feel like ombre looks better curled than it does straight. Like this just looks like, what the heck's happening here? But when it's like a nice wave, it looks really pretty. So trust the process. So yeah, I'm about to flat iron this. Tomorrow I will curl it. I'm too tired to curl it and flat iron it. So we're just doing one thing here. The reason why I flat iron it before curling it is just because it looks more sleek. If I was to curl it in this frizzy state, it would hold the curl better, but it would just be like not as smooth and silky as I'd like it. So I'm gonna do that real fast. I'm not gonna do it on camera. I'm just gonna, because I'm really tired. As you can see, it's like 10, so I need to go to bed. So yeah, I'm gonna flat iron this hair before I go to bed, and I will see you guys in the morning. I just wanted to come on here and say hey and talk to you because I haven't filmed at all the past 2 weeks. Like the vlog that you guys just saw that was just up is old footage. So I have like one little snippet where it's recent, but like I have not filmed consistently at all. I really wanted to film myself making this shepherd's pie that I made. Look, it's literally gone. Like gave it out to my family and friends and they love it. But yeah, let me flat iron my hair. I know this is giving 2010 Ashley, 2007, 2008 Ashley, right? Like ombre hair color, like who am I? I'm the old me again. So yeah, this is giving throwback Lee over here, which I love. So let me go flat iron this and I'll talk to you guys in the morning. We're always in the kitchen and in this spot. I'm about to, well actually I'm making some, what is this? Trader Ming's, which is Trader Joe's. Do that, but some Trader Joe's chicken chow mein, low fat. I don't remember having this before. I feel like I have, but I can't remember. So it comes with this like packet of sauce, like the other chicken does. The what's it called, chicken? But I'm pretty sure it's a different sauce. I'm hoping. It says on the back for stovetop, heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet. Wok over high heat, add chicken, vegetables, noodles, cover, add, cook for 6 to 7 minutes, stir occasionally, heat it through. So you just have to add some oil. So let me actually put some oil in there because I didn't do that. Update. So what am I doing? So today we are just gonna be home. I have to go to Target later. I'm gonna go meet up with my cousin, I would say. She needs help picking out makeup. Oh my gosh. Do you guys hear that noise? That's, come on. That is Amazon backing up. Whenever they back up, that's what their truck sounds like. And my windows are open so you can hear it. Come on, Amazon. First of all, are we not loving the hair? I showed you guys yesterday. I curled it and it did not hold. So, I don't know. But what we're gonna do is, because I'm doing Dr. Oz tomorrow, filming an episode, a segment or whatever. So, I'm gonna put the rods, well, you know, like those roller thingies in my hair tonight so that when I wake up tomorrow I won't have to curl my hair too much. So usually they have like a ton of hair and makeup people. But I don't know if that's the case with COVID. Like, they're not doing a whole lot of that. A lot of these shows aren't. So they have like one person on set for makeup and hair for like the guests. So I have to come like hair and makeup pretty much ready. So while that's cooking, yeah, that's really all I'm doing, you guys. I'm home chilling. I have my outfit picked out for tomorrow for Dr. Oz, and that's really it. I have to be in New York City at 8 a.m. Early morning call times are the worst. 8 a.m. doesn't sound early, but when you live an hour and 20 minutes from the city, it's early because that means I have to leave my house by 5:30. No, what am I saying? I have to be there at 8. So I need to leave my house by at least 6. So that I get into the city around 7:20, 7:30, and I have like a good maybe 10, 15 minutes if I'm parking, and then walk to the show, which I know where everything's located, so it shouldn't be an issue. I'm still contemplating if I'm going to drive to the train and then take the train into the city, because I don't know if I want to drive an hour and 20 minutes to New York, and where I am it's an hour and 40. So I don't know. But then I hate the hustle and bustle of having to like get off the train and find whatever train will take me to the show. I don't want to do that either. It's cheaper, but I don't know if I want to deal. But then, yeah, it's cheaper because I don't have to. Well, no, I don't know if it's cheaper because realistically, like going to New York on the train, I think it's $35, $30, $34 or something like that. Come on with these. Of course I'm vlogging when I have my windows open. So yeah, driving to New York, I think it's like, no, I'm sorry, what was I saying? The train. So the train is 35 or 32, something like that, round trip, right? It might even be 36, I don't know. So around that. And then getting transportation, so I would have to like Uber to the show. When I'm doing a show, I like to Uber. I don't want to deal with the subways and no, we just want to Uber to the show, especially if my makeup and stuff is going to be done. Being in that subway it's just musky down there, and it's we're not trying to deal with the subway. So yeah, I'll probably Uber to the show, which is going to cost money, and then I had to pay for parking at the train station, which is like $11. If I'm gonna be there all day, it's like $11. I think for a few hours it's like $7. And then, you know, gas. So it costs a little less, but it's more of a hassle. Driving there, at least I know I'm going straight there. I can drive right into the parking garage and I can leave. Don't gotta wait for no train. I'm just in and out of the city at my own expense. Yes, it costs more money because toll to New York City is like $30 almost. Going there and then coming back, it's at least another, like, I want to say 15 or something, 12 or something. So it's a little, it evens out. It's all about the same. I'm gonna just drive to New York and drive my butt home. Plus I like being home, y'all. I like being in my own space, in my own apartment, in my own bed. Even though my sister's bed is ridiculously comfortable, I just like being in my own space. So yeah, that's really it. I'm gonna go finish making this food, and I'll see y'all on the way to the city tomorrow. So this still needs to, this is still a little frozen. Just letting this cook. Let these noodles separate a little more, but yeah. I had to pan-sear the chicken myself because it was looking a little sketchy. I don't like frozen chicken. So I was like, if I'm gonna put chicken in here, we gotta clean it up. It's gotta be cooked better than that. So Hopefully this is really good, but looks good. Morning, guys. Okay, so I'm getting ready for the show. Gonna flat iron my hair. I was gonna curl it, but I don't have time to sit and curl my hair, so we're just gonna do super straight hair for this, because I literally gotta get on the road soon, especially like with traffic. I need to leave here by 6, so we're literally just flat ironing the hair, and then I'm gonna run out of here. They'll like touch it up when I get there. It just has to be like ready, you know? So yeah, I never wear my hair straight on TV, which is really funny. But today, we gonna do it because I don't have time for anything else. I was gonna curl it. I was gonna curl it last night, but I was so tired last night that I was like, I'll do it in the morning. And now I'm like, yeah, I can't do it in the morning because, yeah, just can't. So we are just gonna flat iron it. They'll probably just re-straighten it when I get there. I don't know if they'll have time to curl it. Sometimes they do, but sometimes they don't. Like in the back in the day when I used to do the show, they used to full glam, like on people who would come in without makeup, and they would touch your curls up or just completely curl your hair. But I don't know if that's an option this year. I'm just, see, I have tracks here, so I'm just hiding my natural hair. I'm just combing my natural hair over so I can flat iron this. We're gonna spruce up these edges too. But y'all, early morning call times are not fun. Ugh. I honestly prefer, I'm just a night person. I'm not a morning person, but I'm trying to become a morning person. I'm trying to do better, because I do know if you want to work in television, you're gonna have to become a morning person, because call times are always the crack of dawn. So this is what I'm wearing. It's from Rebdolls. Love this. Super cute. Just like a nice little blue moment. The shirt's a little big, bigger than I anticipated. I ordered it too big, but it's cool. It'll do. But I love it. I'm getting ready to go. I'm gonna grab some of these pistachios though. And this Rice Krispie treat for the road. I mean, I should just take it all. Why not? In the water.